going to be doing a really fun measuring project. You get to use the non-standard units of your foot. This is my daughter Aria's shoe print, if you will, or shoe tracing. And your grown-up's foot. This is my shoe tracing. And the standard unit of a foot, even though these are actually feet. This was sort of, people say that this was based on a king's foot from a long time ago. It was a humongous foot. Can you believe it? So in here you have 1 foot, and you also have it broken into inches. If you don't have a ruler handy, don't worry. You can use a measuring tape or some other way to figure out those standard units. Have fun. You're going to measure the length of a table and the height of a chair and at least 2 other things that you can find around your house. To do this measurement math activity, you're going to need 2 pieces of paper. I chose 2 different colors, one for the kid foot and one for the grown-up foot. You can do whatever works for you. And of course, you're going to need a pen or a pencil to go ahead and trace the feet. You need some scissors to go ahead and cut them out. And for the measuring part, you also get to use a standard measurement unit, which is called a foot. And you can also use inches when you have part of a foot. If you don't have a ruler at home, you can use a tape measure instead. To do this project, you are going to put your foot on 1 color of paper and then start by tracing it. You might want to have someone else trace it for you, like I'm tracing Aria's here. You can just do your foot, or you can do your shoe, like we're doing Aria's shoe. There you go. Okay, Aria, go ahead and step off of that. Let's see the tracing. Good job. Now, even if there's some little openings here, that's okay because you're going to cut it out. So you have 1 kid's shoe, and then, dun, da, 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 1 grown-up shoe. Go ahead and trace that one too. After you get it all the way done. Then, see it's not perfect, you can just sort of fix it up like that, no problem. Then you're going to cut it out. All right, now you just need to go ahead and cut them out. Okay, as you get started, you want to make sure that your shoe tracing is right up against the edge, right there, and it's ready to go make a straight line. And you only have 1 of them this time, so it's a little different. Okay, so Aria, are you ready? Put your finger right there. And I want you to turn like that and say, mark.
But.
Good job. Okay, so hold it there, right at the end, right there, and keep it still. And then I'm going to be your helper. I'm going to move this right there. That was our mark, like our place marker. Okay, now, so we had 1, 2, and then put your finger at the other end again, right over here, and say mark.
But.
Okay, now we're going to say 3 together, but leave your finger there. Say 3 with me.
But.
Mark, and then 3, and you just keep doing that. All the way down the table. Exactly. Good job. Okay, we just measured this whole table by marking the end each time and counting. Aria, how many of your feet was this table? Do you remember?
1.
No, say 9.
9.
Good job. And so then we go over here. And so hers is the kid foot, so the table length was 9 Aria feet. If I wanted to, I could just say 9, or I could write Aria feet if I wanted to. And now I'm going to go and do it measure it with my feet. Okay, so now it's my turn. I put my finger here, I say mark. And then I have to pick it up and put it right next to it. And then I would say 1, 2, and I keep marking my spot each time and see how many Ms. Caudle feet this table is long. A little bit of a helper here who's going rogue, but the Ms. Caudle feet, it was 6 1/2 Ms. Caudle feet long. I'm gonna write mommy feet since I'm her mommy. And then we just did it. And now we're going to do the same thing with a ruler. And so how many standard feet? And it might have inches on it too. And remember, if you don't have a ruler, you can use a tape measure. Now you're going to do that entire process all over again with the height of a chair and then 2 other objects, whichever objects you choose to measure. Make sure to do each one with repeated uses of the same unit, and you'll start with your foot, then your grown-up's foot, and then the standard unit of foot and inches, or feet and inches. Have fun!